First of all, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I really do appreciate your business. We're a locally owned, family-owned business, and I am very grateful for you guys stopping in the store, checking out what we have, and for your support. So I am very grateful for that. But what I'm going to talk to you about today is the new 2012 Mathews Helium. And let me just start by saying this. You know, I get a lot of questions of, you know, why do you shoot Mathews? Why Mathews and Mission? And what you really need to look at is, what is a company about? You know, you're not just buying a product, but you're buying a company. You know, you're buying into that. You know, why do you drive a Chevrolet truck? Why do you wear the jeans that you wear? Why do you like Rocky boots or whatever it is? You know, why do you shoot a Remington rifle? Well, you believe in that company. You know, and that's exactly what it is for me in our store with Mathews. Mathews dedicates a lot of money through their Lost Camo program, through the Mission line, to foreign ministries, to kids in Haiti, in orphanages and so forth. They do a lot of good, and they're a phenomenal company. I've been there personally. I've toured their factory. They're great people who put a lot of effort and a lot of thought into your product. And so today, we're going to talk about the Helium. And this bow is 20 years in the making. What is awesome about this bow is, like I said, 20 years ago, Mathews started in 1992, and they had their first solo cam. And this bow is built off of that concept, and they just keep getting better and better and better. You know, we ask ourselves every year, how does it get any better? Well, they did it again. And the Helium has really, really tipped the scales. And I say that kind of being funny because, guys, this bow weighs a massive 3.5 pounds. I mean, it is a featherweight. It's one of the lightest aluminum bows to ever be built. They actually made the riser stronger and stiffer. At the same time, they made it smoother in transition. The lines flow very nice. Just a great product. They came out with a new cam, the HE cam, and what this cam has done is it's extremely efficient. So, you know, bows 2 or 3 years ago even that were shooting at 65 pounds, we're getting better speeds at 65 pounds out of this bow than we were the other ones because it is so efficient. It really stores that energy and transfers it very good. The grip is one of the new things that they changed this year, and I absolutely love this grip. It is a gun stock grade walnut grip. What that means is it's all one solid piece now. It's not 3 pieces put together. Flows very consistently, fits the hand extremely comfortably. So impressed with that. They lightened everything up. They've got a new harmonic stabilizer light. They've got a new dead end light is what they're calling this. And you know, they come out with some new strings this year. They increase performance in the strings. It's called the Mathews Genuine Strings. They're twisted tighter. They're stretched longer. They're out of more durable materials. And you know, overall, the bow is a great shooter. You know, a few guys are shooting them in league nights here and scoring 299s and 300s with them, with just a light hunting bow. They shoot very, very well. The specs on the bow: 30 inches axle to axle, so it's extremely parallel and short. But at the same time, on the 7-inch brace height, it balances out well, and it's getting phenomenal speeds of up to 332. Getting very good speeds out of it. I've tested them against the Z7 Extremes and some of the other bows, and it's performing really, really well. The best part about it is the fact that it's so lightweight, it still shoots extremely smooth. There's no post vibration. There's no noise. The bow is ridiculously quiet, and you know, just another great product. For Mathews. It changed up a bunch of stuff. They kept the the classic Mathews look. They've gone with the new, they call it the Geo Grid Riser, and very, very impressed with this bow. So I encourage you to come down to Barrett's, check it out. I think you will be impressed as well. Appreciate you watching.